Hi everybody from YouTube. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your new Airpods Max, as you can see here, with an Android device. So the process to follow, it's very simple, guys. All you have to do is to press this button that is on the top of the left of the right ear cup. As you can see, you're gonna press this button until you see the light that is on the bottom of the right side flashes white, as you may see right now. So I'm gonna press it. Yeah, and as you can see, the light now is flashing. So now we're gonna take our Android device, and as you can see on here, this is the Airpods Max as an available device. So now they are connected to the phone and you can listen to whatever you want in your new Airpods Max. So if this is the first time you are watching one of my videos, do not forget to subscribe, leave a like and comment. So check her out, and until the next one, bye bye.